Assalamu alaikum, grade 2. I hope you all are fine and having good time at your home. Grade 2, we are going to start our new chapter number 10, and its name is air. Grade 2, I will ask you one question and you have to think that for 1 minute, and then you will tell to your parents or your tutor which is around you. Okay? Grade 2, there is one thing present around us, present everywhere, that we only feel, but we can't see that thing. Which is that thing? Yes, it's air. Air present around us, but we can't see air, we just feel it. And now I will show you one thing. I have a balloon and I will show you one activity. This activity all of you also do at your home. If you have balloon, you will blow air in the balloon like I have blown, and you will keep the start of the balloon in this way with finger like I am keeping, so air will not move out. Then you will keep this side, front side, to your face, and you will leave this. And what you see on your face, you will feel the air, but you not see it, you just feel it. This is the air, we only feel. Now, what does air contain? Air contain many things. First is the gases, many gases. Which gases? Oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen gas. These are the important gases of air. And all the living things, plants, animals and humans, these are the living things. They need air to live, to breathe, to do all their activities. They need gas. Which gases? Oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen, and they all make the air. Then air has the water vapors. If you see in this picture, a pan is on the fire and water is in it boiling, and these vapors are coming out of the pan. These are the water vapors. When we heat or boil any liquid, water will become into water vapors. And here you see a picture. The clothes are drying. When you your mother wash cloth, then you dry it. Where does the water of your clothes gone? That water become the water vapor, and that water vapors mix into the air. And also from the rivers, lakes, canals, few water make into water vapor, convert into water vapors. By which heat? By the heat of sun. And then that water vapors also mix with the air. And air also has the dust particles. Like in this picture, in this way also you can, when there is sunlight, open a little bit of your door, and then you can see there is sunlight coming out, coming from outside, and there are dust particles in it. Air also has smoke. From where it comes? From factories or from the transport vehicles that run on the road. The smoke will come into the air and it will damage our health. And air also carries the germs. From where germs come? If any person sneeze or cough around you, the germs from that person will be taken by you through the air that you are breathing from the environment, and you will get that germs and you will be sick. And here is one, do you know? Germs are so small that we cannot see them with our eyes. We can see them only through a microscope. Microscope is a device by which we see very small organisms. Microscope is an instrument which makes tiny things appear big so that we can easily see them. Grade 2, this is for today's work, and this will be your diary. You have to do reading page number 70 and 71.